In today's video, we're diving into the best note-taking apps for Android that can help you stay organized and make capturing your thoughts easier than ever. If you're ready to enhance your note-taking game, let's jump right in. Squid Take Notes. Squid Take Notes is a versatile note-taking app that allows users to write notes naturally by hand, as if they were using paper and pen. This app supports stylus input, making it ideal for users who prefer handwritten notes. Squid features a range of tools for drawing, highlighting, and annotating, which can be particularly useful for students and professionals alike. Users can also import images, PDF documents, and templates to annotate directly over them. With its flexible organization system, users can categorize their notes into notebooks and pages, ensuring all notes are easy to find. The intuitive interface and diverse features make Squid a great choice for anyone wanting a more tactile note-taking experience. Notepad Take Notes. Notepad Take Notes is a straightforward and user-friendly app designed for users who prefer simplicity in note-taking. The app provides a clean interface that makes it easy to jot down thoughts, ideas, and lists quickly. Users can create, edit, and organize multiple notes without any distractions. It includes features such as text formatting options, color coding, and the ability to set reminders for important notes. The search function allows users to find specific notes effortlessly, making this app a practical choice for those who need a quick and efficient way to take and manage notes. Note-taking for students. Note-taking for students is specifically designed to meet the needs of students looking for a comprehensive note-taking solution. This app integrates features tailored for academic use, such as organizing notes by subject, adding multimedia elements, like images and audio recordings, and creating study guides. The app allows for easy collaboration, enabling students to share notes and work together on group projects. Additionally, note-taking for students includes tools for highlighting and annotating notes, making it easier for users to review important information. With its educational focus and user-friendly design, this app is excellent for students aiming to enhance their learning experience. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Squid Take Notes, Notepad Take Notes, and note-taking for students helps you find the perfect app to fit your note-taking needs. Until next time, happy